Hi there. Welcome to Brood Technology. Thank you for watching this HTML tutorial. This will be a series of tutorial videos for learning how to write HTML codes, and later on learn how to create your own website. Our goal is to make this tutorial short, easy, and yet comprehensive. In this tutorial, we will assume that you are a total beginner in programming. Without further ado, let's get started. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the skeleton or backbone of a web page. It forms the structure of a web page. This means that any web page that we browse on the internet was written in HTML, either entirely or partially. For instance, Google, YouTube, Amazon, Facebook, or any website were all developed with HTML. To show you an example, let us analyze how Facebook's login page is rendered. To see the codes on how a web page is rendered, just right-click anywhere on the page, then select View Page Source. Here are the codes that render Facebook's login page. For now, I will not discuss what all these codes mean, but for the purpose of showing you that any web page is written with HTML, you can see that this page used HTML, as indicated by this HTML tag. Let us see another famous website, google.com. Viewing its page source, we can also see that google.com is using HTML. Take note, however, that HTML can be combined with other programming technologies, such as JavaScript, CSS, etc. Combining with other programming technologies allows dynamic and sophisticated websites or web applications. Now that we know that HTML is present in any web page we browsed on the internet, let us now continue and learn HTML tags. At the right is a basic set of an HTML page. We will use this example to learn what an HTML tag is. Moving on, HTML is a collection of tags. But what is a tag? A tag is a container of information. In our example at the right, let us identify which are the tags. The tags here are HTML, head, meta, title, and body. Tags are usually written as a pair of start and end tags. A start tag is written with the tag name enclosed by angle brackets. An end tag is written with the tag name preceded by a slash and enclosed by angle brackets. Let us now identify the start and end tags in our example. This is the head start tag. And this is the corresponding head end tag. This is the title start tag. And this is the corresponding title end tag. This is the body start tag. And this is the corresponding body end tag. And of course, this is the HTML start tag. And this is the corresponding HTML end tag. A start tag can be immediately ended by a slash and angle bracket if it doesn't contain any data or element within, as shown by our meta tag here. Start tags can be written with attributes within. Attributes provide additional information about a tag. They are also used to modify the behavior of elements within the tag. We will discuss more about attributes in the next part of our HTML tutorial. Now that we know that HTML is composed of tags, and we now have a basic idea of what a tag is, let us now look at the basic structure of HTML. Every HTML should be at least composed of the following tags, and in the given order as shown here. The first child tag of HTML should be head tag. Head tag should have meta and title child tags. The second child tag of HTML should be body tag. Let us now put some data in this HTML code, so that we can see how it will look like in our browser. There are various editors we can use to write our HTML codes, but for now, let us use Notepad to create our first simple HTML codes. Here is a copy of the basic structure of HTML, as shown in the previous slide. In the title tag, let us put my first HTML as the title of our HTML page. Then in the body tag, let us put hello there, which will be displayed in our browser. Perfect. We have now written our first simple HTML page. Let us now save these codes as an HTML file. Then let us open this HTML file with Google Chrome browser. Congratulations, you have completed your first HTML page. For better understanding, let us analyze our HTML page against our HTML codes. Remember that earlier, we put my first HTML in the title tag. Title element can be found in the browser's title bar. In the body tag, earlier, we put hello there. The body element contains the content of an HTML page. We have reached the end of our first lesson in learning HTML. We have learned what an HTML is, what an HTML tag is, the basic structure of HTML, and the basics of writing an HTML page. Our next lesson will be about HTML attributes. See you in the next session.